bilaway sulat anak.
Bulpin, parusa na mo.
Kay,
Kabaan man.
natagang. Maudel ha.
Among-among namin.
Ha?
Among-among.
Maudel na ipasulat mo. I'm sorry ma'am anak. Katulad ipasulat ko I'm sorry ka 1,000. I'm sorry. Wa ko kuha na sukad. Hindi ka
Ang
na.
malaki na, saan kayo? Apilan mo eh.
Uy, maghulog unta ako dito. Lain kay da anak kalas kayo 5. Di makakunik og lain. Lah. Ay niya na. Sulat sa diya kay. Kung mo ko'y live, saan mo na?
Post na ka dyan.
Hmm?
Dili na ma-post.
Pay. What's pay and more to collect? Wait. Pay. Yeah, pay. Pay o pay? What you mean by that? More to collect. Lah. Lambod nyo akong kwintas. Tanaw naman kwintas ako dahil piki, dili.
Ano ba?
Hmm?
Ano tinood?
Hmm?
Ang tinood?
Tagsa man yan yung makmak. May siya masuot yung bata pang man akong isuot. Tinuod ni. Dugay na ako ni palit ka ni isa 2019. Ipalit. Dugay na no? Yung gamay. Nilit. Dugay na no? 2019. Kuhan pa si Makmak 1 year old. Ini.
Karoon 8 na.
I really like the club. What's club? What you mean by that? I really like the club 2 times doll. I don't understand what you mean. Message me in my calling. Uy, mag-call unta ko. Who are with you here? No, I don't have husband. I am a single mom. I have my son. Only one. I stay with my own. In my cute little house. I'm not rich. I'm a poor girl. But full of love. Full of love and pure heart. Hey. Okay. What? Single like me? Really? But I can see you. Single. Hi, Sunny. Hi.